I will show you how to fix Steam games can't be opened. First way, open your Steam, then go to Library. Right-click the problem game, then go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrated of Game Files. Wait for the process. Second way, go to the top left corner, find Settings, then find Download. Click Clear Cache and confirm. Your Steam will restart to identify the game. If it doesn't work, try uninstalling the game. Third way, go to Device Manager. Check if all drivers are up to date. If not, you can update the drivers first. The last way is to reset your PC. Go to the bottom of Windows and click Restart. Wait until finished. These are some ways if the game is not detected.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.